Okay, get out your gloves, put on your goggles, because it's What Tool Friday at Greeno's Family Garage. Today we're going to talk about the battery brush, and the battery brush is really simple. We're going to clean the battery post on this battery. See the bristles on the inside? You just take the battery brush, put it on the post, and turn it. Squeak, 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 squeak. You can even turn it the other way. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay? Post is clean. Okay, next, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to take the battery brush and we're going to magically open it up, and we've got the brush for the battery cable terminal. Here's a battery cable terminal right here. You put the brush in the terminal and you turn it around. Yes. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak. Look at that. Boy, that's clean as a whistle. All right. And with that, this is Greeno's Family Garage. This tool, I know you're asking, is this brass hammer approved? It is brass hammer approved. Everybody needs one. Go out and get you one. Next Friday, we're going to review a tool. What tool? I don't know. Come back on What Tool Friday. Click to subscribe and have a great week.